Welcome to my backyard project. It is complete. I added tin ceiling tiles, repurposed, with the fleur de lis design. And the reason why I decided to do this is because it adds more privacy to the back, because this privacy fence is very gapped. See? And so I thought, let's just design the back so then when I look out my kitchen window, even in the wintertime, I'll see a beautiful focal point. And there's added privacy when we're back here this summer. So there we go. There's the pattern I used. Maple, walnut, and gunsmoke stain. I did this pattern 2 years ago, and it's held up well. So I took the same concept and then added the tin panels to this, and a nice little pathway to the back Buddha fountain. And this area does light up with solar lights at night. My granddaughter Legacy was my little helper when I carried the wood back here, and she helped me drill in the screws to hold the wood on the fence. And when you drill them in, do not drill them all the way. Leave a little gap, because wood will expand in this Michigan weather. It leaves room for expansion. The same with the tiles. I did not screw them right to the very back. I left a little bit of a milliliter is I think what you call it, millimeter, so they can expand. This is my backyard fence project. There used to be an ugly aluminum shed right here and a pond. And with the puppy, do not want a pond in the backyard. She would be drinking the stagnant water and getting sick. So we removed the pond 2 years ago. Now also I found out when we moved in that our property line was wrong. Now the reason why I did not add a final tile right here, because it is gapped right here, is because there's this wooden fence post right here. This was where our property line was. And then we had it reevaluated with the city and found out this was the wrong property line. We actually owned 4 more feet from there. And so 2 years ago, we gained that feet before we put up the privacy fence. Isn't that nice? Paying taxes on it, might as well use it. But that's the reason why pea gravel ends right there. But yeah, added pea gravel. Hauled all this landscape stone myself. Hauled all the mulch. 25 bags of mulch from Lowe's. And then we have a pear tree right here I planted. Legacy added her ballerina windmill in the back. It's not windy today, but it spins. Isn't that cute? That's where she wanted to place it, and that's fine. My hibiscus growing nicely. I just planted those a couple weeks ago. And of course, this entire project will light up at night. I have solar lights all over the place. But here it is. Now when I come out with my puppy, I can enjoy the scenery. And in the winter, at least I'll see the tile glistening in the sun. And of course, I love the stained boards that I added. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping in. And subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a fairy garden and some other projects and adding them to my YouTube channel. Catch you on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas and Legacy's Little Luxuries on Facebook. You can also find me on Pinterest and Twitter. Just type in Legacy's Little Luxuries. Bye for now. This is May in Michigan, 2018. I send my blessings out to your family and yours from me and my family.